when the Lord said that we should be a kingdom of priests, many of us think it's just a literal statement because we have been cut off from that particular strand of Israelite culture that makes every man, every woman, every child that came out of Israel a priest. Remnants, debris of this culture lives among the Igbo people who identify the 16,000 square miles of territory that Chukwu gave to the Igbos as homeland. Still practice this tradition of everybody being a priest. The first among equals, the oldest Igbos are priests by virtue of the fact that they are Igbos and that they are the oldest members of the community. At a gathering of Obodo, that is republic, of Ogbe, that is sub-republic, of Omunna, that is family, the person that leads is the oldest man. He also serves as priest. These categories never commence any meeting without a service, a religious service. Who leads this religious service? The oldest man. The service is usually performed by a meal offering carried out with what we call oji, kola nuts, and the offering of our lips. That is what you call the regular prayers. That must be part of it. And the priest leads, and the priest is the oldest man. And when the women are sitting on their own, usually the Igbo man and the Igbo woman do not hold meetings together except on rare occasions. When the women sit down, the oldest among them leads, to demonstrate that everybody is a priest from another direction. If the wealthiest Igbo man visits the poorest Igbo person, and this poor Igbo man brings out the kola nut, oji, to accompany the offering of the lips, I will repeat, Igbos will never ever commence any meeting without inviting Chukwu and our ancestors to be present. And when they are present, because we cannot appear before God empty-handed, we come with oji. This poor Igbo man, let us say that Remy is this poor Igbo man. Let us say that Innocent, the guy that manufactures automobiles, is the wealthy Igbo man. Remy brings out an oji, gives it to Innocent. Omenana stipulates that Innocent has to give it back to Remy with the words, Oji eze di eze n'aka. The kola nuts, the oji, is in the hands of the priest. In other words, I am the priest in my house even though I'm poor and he is rich. This is not what you find or found in societies that have boundaries with Igbos where you find kings. The kings are the priests as well. They offer sacrifices. The people are commoners. The people are their subjects. As you can see, the case with Igbos is different. Every Igbo is a priest. Every Israelite is supposed to be a priest. Hopefully, in my lifetime, because of the work we are doing to bring back Omenana, to remainstream it, to re-centralize it, this oldest Israelite tradition is going to come back, and every Israelite will live by it, so that the Lord will walk with us again. Thank you.